In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero in just about 5 minutes. If you're running a business, keeping track of your accounts in an organized manner is crucial. Xero makes this easy, but there comes a time when you might need to export your data, whether for analysis, sharing with a team member, or for your accountant. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to Xero's website. It's straightforward, just punch in Xero into your search engine or type the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on their homepage, you'll find yourself face to face with a wealth of information about the services they offer. But our focus today is on getting you to your data. Now look for the login button. It's usually placed prominently on the top right hand corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your Xero account. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's important that you enter the credentials for the account that holds the data you wish to export. Take your time to ensure the information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, it's time to hit the login button and dive into your Xero dashboard. This is where things get interesting. Your dashboard is the control center for your financial operations, but today our path leads us through to the accounting section. If you look closely, you'll find the accounting tab. It might take a moment to spot it among the various options, but it's there, ready to reveal the detailed aspects of your accounts. Clicking on accounting will open up a drop-down menu offering various options. From here you'll want to select chart of accounts. It's this section that holds the key to the data you're aiming to export. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your financial records in Xero, listing all accounts associated with your business's transactions. Upon navigating to the chart of accounts, your next move is to locate the export button. It might seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but it's usually positioned in a visible spot on the page. Once you find it, give it a click. This action prompts Xero to compile your chart of accounts into a downloadable format, typically an Excel or CSV file, allowing you to save it onto your computer. This step is where the magic happens. By clicking on Export, Xero will work behind the scenes to gather all your account data and prepare it for export. This process is usually quick, but the time can vary depending on the size of your data. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your default download folder, or you may be prompted to select a download location depending on your browser settings. And just like that, you've successfully exported your chart of accounts from Xero. This file now holds crucial financial data that you can analyze, share, or store as needed. It's a snapshot of your business's financial architecture, ready for whatever task you require it for next. A couple of pro tips to make your life easier. First, ensure you regularly export and save your financial data. This practice can be a lifesaver for backup purposes or when you need historical data at your fingertips. Second, take the time to familiarize yourself with the layout and information within your chart of accounts. The more comfortable you are with this data, the easier it will be to use it effectively outside of Xero. Exporting data from Xero is a straightforward process once you know the steps, and now you do. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or new to the platform, I hope this guide has made your data exporting journey a bit easier. Remember, understanding and organizing your financial data is key to making informed decisions for your business. That wraps up our tutorial on how to export from Xero. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the world of finance and accounting with ease.